Hello, welcome to Red HVAC. This video I will talk about the installation of DrainPi, CooperPi for my TV system. Okay, for the DrainPi, we install 1.2 meter from one support to one support. Because the DrainPi it is not strong enough. It is not strong. If you install longer, it will have some slope, so the water will stack. That's why we recommend to install the maximum length only 1.2 meters. And you need to install the insulation. Yeah, it needs the insulation. Do not install like this. This is not a good example. And this is the CooperPi support installation. Okay, we advise to install 1.5 meter from one support, from one to one here, and you might install the sleeve, PVC sleeve to protect your CooperPi. And especially it is very important for the vibrant option. For the vibrant point, you need to install this 300 millimeter from the hanger here to the vibrant, and from the vibrant to the hanger here it is under 300 millimeters. The vibrant point we install the support shorter because we need to protect the vibration from the flow of the refrigerant. You can check the picture and follow this method. Okay, this is a very bad example. Yes, no need to install here. No need to install here. But you should install in this place. The vibrance point and the mains vibrant. Here the same. This is the bad example because the installer they don't know the standard and they don't know what is the meaning of the hanger. They don't know everything. They just install without anything is called. So it will be easy to estimate the CooperPi by the vibration when the CooperPi or when the refrigerant are working. Here also is not a good. This is not a good example too. They didn't use the vibrant or something. They didn't use the insulation, the right insulation for protect the vibrance point. Okay, this is the very important point. This is the option for the vertical. Anyway, I just take this picture and for the example for you to easily understand. We have the vertical option. If you are install the vertical option like this, the length it must be 2.5 meters from one support to one support here. The vertical option we install the hanger is longer because it doesn't have any slope or any vibration, because we install it directly to the wall of the building. Thank you.